Most people get this wrong. They think Opulent is just another payday or short-term loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Opulent has transformed into a multi-purpose financial platform offering fast cash access, installment payment options, and budgeting tools designed to give users more control over their money. Here's how it works. Opulent allows users to access a portion of their earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, urgent repairs, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. In addition, some purchases can be split into smaller, manageable payments, helping users manage their monthly budget more effectively. The app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can track advances, view upcoming repayments, and analyze spending patterns. Push notifications remind you when payments are due, which is crucial for avoiding late fees and keeping your financial habits healthy. The downside, overusing Opulent can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a temporary financial solution rather than a permanent one. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment alerts. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Opulent in 2026 is a flexible and practical financial tool, but only if used wisely. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.